All right, got a little beaver cruising along over there. See where he's headed. For those of you who wanted your daily beaver action, here it is. Next week, we may even get the Yeti. Keeping an eye out. You never know. We got a nice matching cruising speed. Oh, he's turning back out. Sorry, the GoPro really doesn't have much of a zoom. Oh, but he's going under the big log. And he's going under. All right. Let me walk through this little mini obstacle. Woohoo. All right. I'm unscathed and I walked around the dog poop, which must have been a very large dog. But anywho, all right, when they do the cleanup for the canal, I hope they don't disturb the beaver home too much. But if they do, he'll remake it. That's what beavers do. All right, very cool. Well, we cleaned up some litter. We helped the environment. We got to see a beaver as a reward, which is very cool. Nature is pretty awesome, man. If you can't get out and see it, I hope by us showing you the little bits we get to see, you enjoy it. All right, take care and bless you, man.